This is my story of how I achieved financial success in just 1 year through a simple but effective business plan for a virtual software house. When I first started out, I didn't have any big ideas or plans. All I had was the thought of owning an online software house that would provide my clients with quality software solutions that could help them grow and succeed. I had done basic market research and knew that selling software meant huge profits, but I had absolutely no experience in this field. So I set out to create a very basic business plan for my new venture that really worked. In this video, I'll share with you my business plan for a virtual software house, from the initial research through to implementation. I'll also touch on my secret to financial success and provide advice for anyone planning to start a software house of their own. So, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to get into the software business, this video is a must-watch. I'm sure you'll find it informative and inspiring. The first thing I did when starting was to identify my target market. I researched what kind of software small businesses were looking for and how much they would be willing to pay for it. I personally visited many local shops and businesses in order to get an idea of the demand. But since I was going to provide my services online, the most effective way I found to measure the demand was to go to online freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr and see what kind of software jobs people were asking for. From there, I identified that most of the small business owners were looking for customized software that could help them automate basic tasks, reduce overhead costs, and provide a user-friendly interface to create more efficient business processes. I couldn't believe how much they were willing to pay for basic software solutions like these. That's when I realized that this was a perfect business opportunity for me. But the problem was that I didn't know a single line of coding. That's when I started to reach out to professional software developers and create a virtual software house with them. It was an ambitious idea, but one that I knew could be a success. To find the right developers, I went online again and found a few of the best on the same freelance platforms. I already had an idea of what the clients were willing to pay, so I offered the developers a good commission rate to work on my projects. By working on a commission-based model, I was able to keep my overhead costs low as I didn't have to pay any salary and still provide quality services to my clients. Once my team of developers was in place, the next step was to find clients. I knew that it was easier said than done. But I'm a big believer in the power of marketing and networking, so I decided to take up social media marketing. Through online ads and content marketing, I was able to find potential clients who were interested in my services. To give my business a more professional look and establish authority, I got myself a sleek-looking website to showcase my services and provide clients with an easy way to contact me. Within a few weeks, I managed to get the word out about my business and found several clients. Most of my clients were giving me recurring business as they were extremely happy with the quality of services I was providing. I provided the best possible customer service to my clients, but I always made sure that my team of developers was also getting paid well for their hard work. I kept them motivated through bonuses and created a strong bond with them, which made them feel appreciated and respected. By keeping my operations streamlined, I was able to provide quality services at an affordable rate. As my online software house grew, I hired a virtual assistant to manage everything. This helped me to automate basic tasks and focus on other important aspects of my business. I'm now planning to start more online business ventures with the same business plan. Remember, the key to success is to find the right business opportunity and put together a smart business plan. With that in mind, I'm sure you'll be well on the way to financial success. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about business plans and other stories of financial success. See you next time.